Hello everyone, welcome back to my CBTM channel. Today I would like to show you guys how to make Alfredo chicken with zucchini. It is very special and delicious. It's summer, it's keto diet. Everybody like to this food. Thank you very much watching my channel. Subscribe please. Okay guys, this is the ingredients for Alfredo chicken with zucchini. Chicken breast, zucchini, butter, Parmesan cheese, sea salt, black pepper, seasoning, virgin olive oil, heavy cream, lemon, onions, 4 pieces garlic. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to cut easy diced onions, red onions perfectly. Slide both sides. Clean nicely, dice nicely, look at that, it's a perfect. Guys, how to chop with knife the fresh garlic. Peel perfectly and then chop randomly like that. And one more time, slowly, be careful with your finger and do randomly like that. Zucchini, slice like that. Look at that. Ooh. I'm going to dice. Check the fat. This is look like chunky, dice, and very nice. Sea salt, very good for the chicken because sea salt is very nice flavor and very savory. The fresh black pepper is going to stem like that. And then chop finely a little bit, and again together with chicken. And this is more flavor and little spicy. Heat the pan only 5 minutes. That's it. Spoon olive oil. Chicken chunky. I'm gonna put down inside. Guys, heat up slowly. This is the berry, which is delicious. It's with the olive oil, more flavor. Nice. With a similar heat. Leave only 2 minutes. Chicken is ready. Look nice. Daily flavor is smoky. 1 more spoon olive oil. This is for the zucchini. Put the heart. Put the zucchini. Put the black pepper. Move very slowly. Then flip. Look at that. Nice color. Brown color. Very look is delicious. It's brown color and it's smoky. After 2 minutes, take out right away. Drop the sea salt. Drop the peanut butter. Garlic chop. Onion chop. Slowly, it's going to mix together. Garlic chop and onion. That's more flavor. Look at that. This butter is going to simmer. It's garlic garlic and onions comes brown. So you drop some milk, heavy cream. Add some fresh black pepper. Lemon juice is make more flavor and tangy. Its taste is delicious. Cheese, roll the parmesan slowly. That's the chicken. Drop the chicken. There's some cheese. I'm going to cook slowly. It's bubbles, coming nice flavor. The heavy cream is going to coming a little bit thicker and more delicious. Spoon, white wine. Let's put together. Because more flavor, the wine is comes to the good flavor. This is chicken Alfredo sauce. Look at that. It's simmering. It comes thicker. After 2 minutes, it's ready. And seasoning. Drop something. Wow, it's tasty. Now done. Nice flavor and seasoning perfect. So I'm throw it. It's time. This is for the garnish. It's chicken. Look at that. This is Alfredo. This is Alfredo with chicken. Lemon zest, small flavor, thyme. Okay, perfect. This is a ready Alfredo chicken with zucchini. It is ready. This is the end of the video. Please guys subscribe my channel CBTM. See you next video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.